Welcome guys, this is Mohammad Saad, and from today I will tell you about how to work in Codeigniter and create a RESTful APIs in it. Basically guys, Codeigniter is the framework of PHP, so you must have a strong knowledge of PHP, at least PHP 7 version installed. Local web server should be installed on your PC like XAMP, WAMP, and to use for the coding for the tool, I will use the PHPStorm. You can use VS Code or Visual Studio, it's up to you. And for the checking of the APIs, we will use Postman. Okay, so what are APIs? Basically, API means application programmable interface. So what is this? Basically, APIs, by using the APIs, it can we use different methods of HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete for data. Basically, to get the data, for the data, if the request form is get, so we will use the get request. We can use the post request for update, or in the data we will use the put request. We will use the delete request for deleting of the data. Okay, so there are different requests, but these four are the most common that normally use in the in this development. Okay, so so basically APIs are used. What is the main purpose of it now? So basically these are used to provide the communication between server and client. Server and client means we, and the server means the where the data is projection, or where our data is projected. Okay, like mobile app, for example. Okay, like mobile app and server. To get the data in mobile app, we use APIs. So these are the APIs. Okay guys, so first we will go to Google and write XAMP to download. Here we will click here, and here it shows you the different versions of XAMP, PHP XAMP. You can select any version according to your need. Basically PHP, this is 8.0 version, 8.1 version, 8.2 version. I already have XAMP installed, so I will not install on my PC. You can also use WAMP. WAMP is also a great server, local machine. So from this website, I will provide the links in my description, so don't you have to worry about that. Okay, so you can also use the WAMP server for setup of local machine in your PC. The second part, what we will do is we have to download the Codeigniter. Here we will write Codeigniter and then welcome to Codeigniter. Should go to download. Okay, we will download this version. Okay guys, after downloading the Codeigniter, you will go in folder. We will extract it. Go there, copies all these files. Okay, now we will go to our XAMP folder. After downloading XAMP, it will create it automatically. Then htdocs. Here we will create a new folder with name test APIs or RESTful API. Okay, it should be a filter REST API. Inside this folder, we will paste these files of Codeigniter. Okay, now we will run our XAMP server. After opening it, we will click on start, and MySQL also start. Now to check this that it's working or not, we will go to our Chrome and write here localhost /php myadmin. So guys, it's working perfectly. Now Now what will we do? We will go to our folder that we have just created, that we inside our htdocs. Its name REST API. So after this we will write REST API. Okay, so welcome to Codeigniter. Basically it's now showing this index page, so it means that our project is now started working. So we have now set up XAMP. We have run our project Codeigniter, installed and run basically. And now for Postman, basically Postman, why we use, basically we are using Postman to view the responses of our API. So to download the Postman, we can go to Google and write Postman download here. As I have already downloaded Postman, so I will not download in my PC again. You can download by clicking here. So let me show you how it's look. Just go to the Postman. So our Postman is opened successfully. So these are the method that I was talking about, that there are get, post, put, page read. There are multiple methods, but the most common method that we use in development is get, post, put and delete. So this is the request type that we tell that we dial, and here we will enter our URL and keys. If we are using if we want to pass any parameter with our URL, so we will use with their key name and value. So I will show you in my later videos that how we can use this. So thank you for watching today's tutorial, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Take care.